All right, so it's Monday, September 30th, last day of September. And we're going to look over shifts of sine functions, right? Sines and cosines. But we'll look at it in terms of sines first. This representation right here, a sine, parentheses, omega x minus theta, parentheses plus b, well, that's really for shifting it, a phase shift left to right. And the b part out here, or the beta, it's not a b, it's a beta, is actually a vertical shift, right? So that's what they are normally looking at. And what we're going to do is only consider the information in step one. Okay? We're only looking at the stuff in shift step one. All right? The 2, 3, 4, and 5, yes, we're going to get that. But we're going to tie it into what we already know. All right? Everybody got the top part in this? No? No?
What is that weird symbol beside the X?
Omega. Kind of looks like a W. You can't see that?
No. I can barely read any of that.
Looks like that. Yeah, so it looks like a W. It's a Greek letter, right?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. So, and the B, I keep saying B, but really that is beta, right? Right? So, sometimes beta has a tail down on the end. You'll see. But anyway, we'll put it, I'll show you another way to look at it that kind of ties it into some stuff that we've already have done, right? So, just kind of know that that's what we're going to do. And the biggest thing is the phase shift right here, guys. The phase shift. Theta over omega, right? The phase shift over what's in front of the x, right? Or the theta, right? So the way that we've been looking at it. All right, y'all ready? All right, you got to go 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on now. Just the first step one. Y'all got to pick it up, put it down. We're giving you about 4 or 5 minutes. Copy that down. Because I talked for about 3 before I started recording. That might be what y'all are doing. Y'all done? Still doing it? All right, hold on. So we've looked at it like this, right? A sine B theta, right? Haven't we looked at it like that? Yes? Yes. Okay. We're going to add does that make sense? That if I reference the H and the K, do you know what I'm doing now? I mean, we just got our conic section, so yeah, will you probably see them reference H and K? Probably not. They'll have some other crazy things that are in place for that, right? You with me? But I want you to understand, I'm grabbing all that knowledge of conics, right? Applying it here. When you do a horizontal shift, it's always the opposite there, right? If it's negative, it's really going to the right. If it's positive, it's really going to the left, right? You with me? Okay, so we still got what? We still got amplitude, and then we still got period, and then phase shift, right? Phase shift is describing exactly what it's saying. It's shifting the phase, so it's shifting it left or right. So that's really H over what? Huh? Not H, okay. B, right? It'd be the theta over the omega, right? If you were looking at it in the previous one, right? Yeah, look. Theta over omega. It's this one divided by that, right? Yeah? So what we're going to do is we're going to take it kind of slow. I don't have any graphs on here. None whatsoever. You already got these? Have I passed these out? I don't think so. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to ease into this, and we're going to look at it just from shifting, okay? And we're going to get you solid on that, and then we're going to start throwing the other stuff back into it. So you're going to have to graph this on your paper. Understand? Now, okay, get that light off shining on Sergio there. You had a little bit of sun coming through up there on that thing, and it's right there on the side of your face, right there at your eye. It bothered me, so I'll fix that for you. All right, y'all ready? Yes. Oh, just put it back in. Okay. So look at the first one. Look at the very first problem on there. You're going to have a lot of work that you're going to have to do in the notebook because we're going to do etch-a-sketches on these, right? You understand? So I need you to pull out the amplitude and the period, and then we're going to talk about phase shift, okay? So do that real quick. One, what's the amplitude on this? Yeah. So the amplitude is the absolute value of A, which is 1, right? Or the absolute value of 1, which is 1. Should do that. So it's here. There's the amplitude. Period. What do you got? Well, that's 2 pi over what? 1. There's a 1 right here, right? So over 1, which is just 2 pi. So we're not doing anything crazy with it all. Now, so I want you to kind of look at this. So let's just graph just that part, okay? Because we do that, I think you'll see some things. Okay? Yeah, kind of want to feel it, didn't it? You graph it on your paper. Remember the characteristics? Remember what you can do? Yeah, within about 30 seconds, you ought to have this graph because really, it's a bunch of hacking, right? Yes. So I'm going to give you 30 seconds here to graph it. Okay, so that's what you should have, right? The period's 2 pi, half of that is pi, right? Half between 0 and pi is pi over 2, and half between this would be 3 pi over 2. We know positive amplitude and negative amplitude, correct? Good. Now, any questions about that? Okay. What is our phase shift doing? What's it doing, guys? It's shifting it what? To the what? To the right. PS is phase shift, okay? It's not PS, I love you. PS, hello. PS, see you soon. No, it's phase shift, okay? So, there. It is what? 2 pi over 3 over what? 1. Which is what? 2 pi over what? 3. Question? No. The negative and positive tells you what direction it's going. So with this being a negative, it would be going to the what? If it was positive, it would be going to the what? You remember how I said, hey, we're tying it into our vertex stuff, right? Yeah, exactly. Right? It's the opposite of what's in there, right? Yeah? Okay, so we got to shift it to pi over 3. Mm-hmm. So what do we do? Where is 2 pi over 3? It's where? It's before pi over 2. What can we do? It's after pi over 2?
Not in the middle.
Okay. Can you tell me where the ending point is? And can you tell me where the beginning point is?
No.
Okay, you got 30 seconds between yourself to come up with the new ending point and the new beginning point. Okay? Because we're shifting it, right? Yes? All right, so go. Okay, so if we take, you can look at this a couple different ways. Okay? So traditionally people teach you what? Yes, I am. Traditionally people teach you this. Take the beginning and the ending and shift it over that much. So if we're at 0, 0, we would shift it 2 pi over 3, right? So our new beginning point would be 2 pi over 3. If the ending of our period is at 2 pi, we shift it over 2 pi over what?
3.
Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, what is the ending point? Huh? How'd you get 8 pi over 3? You could add 2 and 2 over 3, can't you? In your calculator, try. Yes? And you get what? 8 pi over what? 3. Okay? So, and now I'm over here. 8 pi, right? Okay, so if I'm at 2 pi over 3 and I go all the way out to 8 pi over 3, what's half? What's half between that? I don't know, you tell me.
4 times.
Yeah. No. Huh? How'd you get 5 pi over 3, Kristen? 2. What's the middle between 2 and 8? How far is it between 2 and 8? 6 places, because the denominator is 3, right? Okay, so 6. What's that? 6? 3. So 2 plus 3 is what? 5. 8 minus 3 is what? 5. So I'm at 5 pi over what? 3. Right? What's half of 2/3? 1/3. Because look. Now everybody go back. How far is it from 2 pi over 3 to 5 pi over 3? Is it? A pi, right? Pi. Yes? Okay. 3 pi over 3, right? Yes or no? What?
Why is your line part? Like on top of 1 and just 1.
Why didn't plot 4? Okay, I don't understand what you mean 4, because you haven't told me 4. All you do is 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. You ain't told me where. Oh, I ain't done yet. Oh, I ain't putting 4 points on my x-axis. How many points do I plot on my x-axis? I got 3 points, right? 3 zeros for a sign, right? Okay, so I got starting. I got a starting. I have a middle and a what? An end, right? Okay or nay? Okay, good. Now I just gotta find what is the position for the positive amplitude, what is the position for the what? Negative amplitude, right? Okay. Before this, we were like, right? So there's a couple ways. So we're just, all we're gonna look is 2 pi over 3, right? We just shifted things 2 pi over 3. Taking the beginning, add 2 pi over 3. Taking the end period, add 2 pi over 3, and that's what we've done. And we've taken half of it, right? That's all we've done. Now, what is half of pi? Because see, this is pi, and this is what? Pi, right? Because the period is still how much? 2 pi. So this, ladies and gentlemen, is still pi. So what is half of pi? Pi over 2. So if I go back from 5 pi over 3 back pi over 2, where am I at? What's 5/3 minus 1/2? You got a calculator that will do fractions for you. Come on, folks. You got to pick it up. Use the tool. Let's go. No, don't holler it out yet. We got other people got to do this. You got. If you're trying to do it on these yellow ones, you better put the yellows down and get the brown ones. TI-36X Pro. Come on. You don't know how to do a fraction on those yellow ones yet. Come on. What's 5/3 minus 1/2? Huh? 7/6. 7 over 6. Can't be. 5/3 minus 1/2?
Yeah.
Really? Okay. Really?
7 pi.
Okay. 7 pi over 6. Now, what is 5/3 plus 1/2? 5/3 plus 1/2. How much? 13 pi over 6. There you go. Ladies and gentlemen, I have one up. Let's see. That'd be at 1, and that would be at -1. So bada bing, bada boom. Here. And then what? Over here. Right? Questions? Hey, dude, you can't do that on the sheet. You got to do it on your paper, like notebook paper. Etch a sketch. You don't have room. Okay? Not like there's not enough room on that. Okay, so the bottom one is exactly what it is, right? Questions? Beginning, end, shifted, right? The difference between them, take half. Difference between that, take half, right? Now, can we do it a little bit easier? I don't know. How would we do it a little bit easier? I don't know. We're just seniors and we showed up today to learn. Come on, guys. Y'all bring a lot to the table. If you just think about it. Okay? You're equipped with a lot of resources. You just wait for somebody to tell you. Don't. You do it. Come on. What would be another way to do this? So take about 30 seconds. You got partners right there. Find your partner if you ain't got one. And discuss it. Is there an easier way? Okay. Yes, Eagle Nation. Okay. Guys. What are fractions here? Over what?
Over 2.
2. What am I fraction over here? Over what?
3.
3. So what would be a common denominator between those? 6. All right. Ready? All right. So let's kind of see. All right. What would, let's see if we can get this. Or do we need, I probably need to move this over just a little bit. Let's move this over right there. Can I kill this? Yeah, I can kill that. Okay, so I'll go here. What is 2 pi? What is 2 pi written as a denominator of 6? 12 pi over what? 12 pi over 6, right? So 12 divided by 6 is how much? 2. Okay, so what's this one? 6 pi over what? 6. What's this one?
3.
Is it?
Yes, that's
Yeah.
math. Yeah. Ooh.
All right, what's this one?
9 pi.
Are you sure?
Yes, I think so.
Ooh, I like the compass in fractions. Wow. That's really good. Now, look, so if we go 1 here, 1 there, so we're up here, here,
It's negative.
huh?
Negative. Just put 1.
There, -1. 6 pi over 6 is 5, right? Yeah, 606 is 1, right?
Yes.
Yeah?
We just done
1206 is 2, right? We just changed everything in fractions. Okay, y'all good? All right, because we in fraction mode, man. It's scary. It's about like my eye today, right? It's scary. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, now. Yeah, I need that for Halloween. Okay. Did we shift it 3 pi over 2? What's our shift?
2 pi over 3.
Yeah, my bad. Okay.
Come on, Palmer.
I know. 2 pi over 3 is what as a 6? 4 pi over 6? Is that 2/3 pi? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay, good. Take each point and move it over how much? 4 pi over 6. This one becomes what? 4 pi over what? This one becomes 10 pi over what? This one becomes what?
16.
16 pi over who? Okay. Yeah?
Sure.
Now, 3 pi over 6, move it 4 spots, and I'm at 7, right? Yeah?
Yeah.
7 pi over what? Okay. I'm at 9, move it 4, I'm at what? 13? 13 pi over what? Yeah. All right, so. There. So, what you think? Now, mine is kind of squished in there. But you can kind of, when you're interested, you got the whole thing, right?
Yeah.
Beautiful? All right, which one's easier?
The first.
The first one? Just take the beginning, move it over 2/3 pi, take the end, move it over 2/3 pi. Find the distance between there, right? Yeah, that's fine. I don't care. What do you have to make sure you understand? Yeah. Now, ladies and gentlemen, you have 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, right? Hey, have a seat. Have a seat. Hey. On your sheet right there, 1, 2, 3, and 4, all have the periods not affected, right? You understand?
Yes, sir.
So those 4 are what you need to be sitting there making sure that you're solid on, right? 5, 6, 7, 8 is going to be throwing in a shift and a period change, right? Yes?
Sir.
Okay? What? Uh-huh.
Okay.
Yes. It's always opposite, right? Okay. Hey, y'all need to do some homework, folks.
Just to get.
Big test is coming Thursday.